Many nations are reopening their borders, and Taiwan could soon follow suit. According to experts and officials, Taiwan may start lifting its quarantine requirement for airline crew.
威胁不像一开始的变异病毒那么大。重要的考虑是，经济的。
The current threat isn't as great as that of the original variant. One important consideration is economic development. So when it comes to our border restrictions, I think that we can consider gradually easing them.
各国都在开放，但是因为我们现在进入整个疫情的高原期哈。
Other nations have already opened up, but we are still in the epidemic's plateau period, and we need to get through this plateau period first. With respect to that, we will abide by the judgment of the CECC. But we think that rules can be eased for airline crew members who use travel bubbles overseas, who use their own special corridors and dedicated transport vehicles and can't leave their hotels after checking in. For airline crew, we believe that there's room to loosen the 3+4 quarantine requirement.
Currently, airline crew are required to quarantine for 3 days upon entering Taiwan. Plans are underway to lift the quarantine requirement and replace it with 7 days of self-health management. According to the CECC, other border restrictions could ease later this year. As early as September, Taiwan may give the green light to outbound group tours.